Hi everyone, let's learn about numbers, French numbers from 1 until 1 million. Okay, right, so for 1 until 1 million, it's actually easy, even though it is a very big number. 1 million is no doubt a very big number, but it is actually easy if you have already memorized. If you memorize 1 until 100, okay, if you know how to form numbers from 1 until 100, it will be easy for you to make bigger numbers, okay? So for the first slide, let's recall 1 until 100, okay? Let's just start with 0, okay? So 0 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are 0 until 9. And then let's go to 10 until 20. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so remember for 17, 18, and 19, the numbers are special because they don't have one specific number, one specific word for these numbers, but they have a mixture or a combination of this, which is 10, and 7. D set is 10, 7, 17. And this width, this is 10, width is 8, so it will become 18. And this 9, 10, and 9, it will become 19. Alright? So let's go to 10 until 100. Okay. So for 10, this, 20 is 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70. Okay, so just remember 70, 80, 90, they have special ways to form numbers. Okay, 70 is actually 60 plus 10. 60, 60, this is 10. So 70 is 70. 80. 80 is 420. 420. So it means 4 times 20. Okay, so for 80, actually we have S here. Okay, 80, we have S here. But if you have other numbers after the 80, then the S is dropped. And then 90, 90 is actually 4 times 20 plus 10, or simply 80 plus 10. 90 is 90. And then we go to 100. Okay, so if you remember 1 until 100, you will be confident to form bigger numbers. Okay, so these are the examples. Okay, these are the examples of the numbers combination. Okay, for example, 31. You remember 30? 30 is 30. Okay, so if you want to put 1, we put A1. Okay, A1. 30 and 1. 30 and 1. 56. You know 50? 50 is 50, and you have 6, and in French it will be 6. 56. Okay, so these are easy. 67. So you know 60? 60 is 60. Okay, 60 is 60. And then you know 7? 7 is set. Okay, so we have 60 plus 7. 67. 73. 7. Okay, so for 73, this one is special because for 73, you need to make 60 plus 13 and not 70 plus 13. Okay, so take 60. Okay, what is 60? 60 is 60, and then 13 is 13. 13 is 13. Okay, so it will become 73 for 73. Okay, and then we go to 85. 85, you know, 80. 80 is 80. Okay, 80. And then you know 5. 5 is 5, so it will be 85. 85. Okay, 80 plus 5. And for 98, 98 you 98 applies the same rule as 70. Okay, so for 98 it will become 80 plus 18 and not 90 plus 18. Okay, so 80 is 80. Okay, and then we have 18. 18 is 18. So just put combine them together, it will become 98. 98 for 98. Okay, so same goes to other numbers. Let's move to 100 until 1000. Okay, so for these numbers, you only have to know about song. The only new word is actually song. Okay, song means 100. Okay, so let's we need to memorize these numbers. 100 is song. Okay, you don't need to put un song. No, you just put song as 100. 200, deux cents. 200. 300, 300. 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900, 900. And 1000 is 1000. Okay, 1000. So you need pay attention. You need to put an S at the end of song for 100. Sorry, for 200 and until 900. Okay, because it is more than 1. So the song all have S. Song with S. Okay, but when it is followed by other numbers, the S is dropped. Okay, for example, here we have 200, the song with S. But if we have another number after 200, 209, it will become de 109. Okay, de 109. No S here. All right, let's form or create the numbers between 100 until 1000. The first one is 101 or 101. Okay, so the steps are easy. The first step is just you need to know 100. So 100 is 100. Okay, so you put 100 here. And then the next number is 1. So just put 1. 101. Okay, 101. 101. And then number 2, 112. Okay, so the first one you need to know 100. 100 again. And then you have to know the 12. You have to know 12. So 12 in French is 12. So you just combine 112. Okay, 112. And then 170. You put 100 first and then 100. Okay, 100 is 100. And then you combine with 70. You know 70 is 60 plus 10, right? So it will become 60, 60, 10. Alright? And then 201. 201. So for 200, you refer here 200 is the song. Okay, the song 200. And then you put 1 at the back. So it will become 1. The song 1. Okay, for hundreds, you don't need to put A, ET. remember, right? If we have 21, for example, we have 20 et 1, 20 et 1, 20 and 1. But for hundreds, if there is number 1, you don't put any word in between. Okay? 201 is 201. 238. So first 200 is 200, and then we have 38. 38 is 30, 30. 8 is 8. 238. And we go to 999, which is 900. Go with 900 first. 900, 900. Okay. And then 99 is actually 80 plus 80 plus 19, right? So 80 is 80. Okay. And then we have 19. 19 is 19. So 999. Okay, so you can see here for the song, okay, for the song, you don't need to put dash, okay, you don't need to put dash, but after those, but the numbers from 1 until 99, you can put dash, okay, all right. Okay, so next slide. Let's continue with 1000 until 10,000. So for this, you only need to know the word mille. Mille is 1000. Okay, 1000 is mille. Okay, 2000 is 2000, 3000, 3000, 4000, 4000, 5000, 5000, 6000, 6000, 7000, 7000, 8000, 8000, 9000, 9000, and 10,000 is 10,000. Okay, 10,000. So you only need to know mille, okay, 1000, and you already remember 1 until 10, right? So you just combine. Okay, all right. Pay attention. Mille never takes an S. So even though it is more than 1, you don't have to put S after at the back of mille. Okay, and the separator is a space or a period. In French, for the separator for 1000 numbers, it will become space or period, just like this, 4.000. Okay. You can also, maybe you can find in internet, people just put 4000 without a space or without a period. That's also correct. Okay. But the separator is more formal. Okay. So let's look at the numbers, the examples. 1001. So if you want to make 1001, just put the first is 1000. So you know 1000 is mille. So you put mille. And then the next number is 1. So 1 is 1. Then just put 1. 1001 is 1001. And then 1050. 1050. Okay, so you put 1000 first and you have mille. And then you have 50. 50 is 50. So you combine, it will become 1050. 1050. Next, we have 3016. Okay, 3016. So first, if you write 3000, which is 3000. Okay, so 3000 is here, 3000. And then you have the next number is 16, which is 16 in French. So combine, you just have 3016, 3016. And then next, 4440. Okay, so first you put 4000. You know 4000 is 4000. 4000, so put 4000. And then we have the biggest number after 4. Okay, it is 400. So 400, you put 400. 400, 400. And then you have the smaller numbers, which is 40. 40 is 40. 40. So you have 4440. 4,440. Alright. Next is 6. 6,778. So first you put 6,000. 6,000 is 6,000. Okay, so you put 6,000. And then we have the bigger number after 6 is 7. Okay, 700. So you put 700, which is 700. 700. And you have the smaller number 78. 78 in French, remember 78, use the rule 60 plus 18. So 60 is 60 and then 18 is 18. Okay, so for numbers under 100, you put dash 78 dash dash. Okay, and the last one is 9,292. So first 9,000 is 9,000. 9,000. And then you have 200. 200 is 200. 200. And you have 92. So 92 applies the same rule as 70s. So you have to put 80 plus 12. 80 plus 12 to become 92. So it will become 80. 80 is 80. And then we have 12. 12 is 12. So it will become 9,200. 92 is 92. Okay? Let's move on to 10,000 until 1,000,000. Okay, this is the biggest number. Okay, but don't worry. As long as you know 10 until 100 and also you know 100 until 900, you can just easily combine or create any numbers. Okay, so let's go to 10,000. Okay, so just add 10 and 1,000. 10 is this, 1,000 is mil, so d mil, 10,000. 20,000, 20, 20, mil is 1,000, so 20,000, 20,000. 30,000, 30,000. 40,000, 40,000. 50,000, 50,000. 60,000, 60,000. 70,000, 70,000. 80,000, 80,000. 90,000, 90 is 90, mil is 1,000. And then we have 100,000, 100, mil is 1,000. Okay, and then next we go to 100 until 1,000,000 finally. Okay, so for hundreds you just put 100,000, 100,000. 200,000, 200,000. 300,000, 300,000. 400,000, 400,000. 500,000, 500,000. 600,000, 600,000. 700,000, 700,000. 800,000, 500,000. 900,000, 900,000. And 1,000,000, finally we have 1,000,000. Okay, 1,000,000. Let's go practice how to make 1 until 1,000,000 numbers. Okay, for the first number is 24, which is very easy. You have to know 20 and you have to know 4. So 20 is 20, 4 is 4. 24, 24. And then 87. 87, you need to know 8. Okay, for 8, you know that 8 is a combination of 80. 4, 20 is 20. 4 times 20 is 80. And then you have 7. You just put this 7 7. So 87 is 87. It's still easy, right? Okay, and then we go to 1001. 1001 is 1001. This 1000 is 1000, and then the next number is 1. So you put 1001. Okay, and then the fourth number is 3016. So you make 3000 first. 3000, 3000, 3000. And then you have the next number is 16. So 16 in French is 16. Yes, so 3016. And then the next number, 4440. So make 4000 first. You put 4000, 4000. And then we have 400, 400, 400. And then the next number is 40. So 40 is 40, 4440 for this number. And then next we go to 6778. So first we make 6000, which is 6000, 700, 700, and then the next number is 78. Just remember 70 plus plus and 90 plus plus, you need to make 60 plus 11, 12 or 13 and above. Okay, so for 78 you need to make 60 plus 18. Okay, 60 plus 18. So this one is 60, 60. And then we have 18 for 18. So it will become 6778. Alright, and then next we go to 9292. For 9000, it will become 9000. Okay, 9000, 9000. 200, 200. And then we have 92. So for 92, it applies the same rule as 78. So it will be 80 plus 12, not 90 plus 2. Okay? So we have 80. 80 is 80. Okay? And then we have 12 for 12. Okay? So here, 92 is 92. 9292 for this number. Alright, let's go to 20,532. So for 20,000 is 20,000, 20,000. And then we have 500. So 500 will become 500, 500. And then let's go to the next small number, 32, which is very easy. We put 30, 30, and then we have 2, 2, 32. So 20,532. Okay. And then we go to the 73,011. 73,011. So for 73,000, you make 73,000. 60 is 60, 13 is 13. Okay, so 73 is 73. Then we put 1000 because it is a 1000 number, right? 1000. And then the next number is 11, is 11. So this one is easy, 73,011. Alright? The second last number is 500, 505,000, 505. Okay, so for 505,000 is 505, 505, 1000. Okay, then let's go to the next number, which is 500. So you put 500, 500, and then the last number is 5, 5, 505,000, 505. Okay, and then the last number is 899,000 and 999. So for you put this one first, you make this word this number first. 800. Okay, 800, And then we have 99. 99 is 80 plus 19, yes. Okay, so 80, 80, 19 is 19. So 99 is 99. And then this is the thousand number, so we put 1000. Okay, 1000 for 1000. And then we have 900 here, so we put 900, 900. And the last number is 99, which is 99 again. So 899 899,999. 999. Okay, so let's look at the notes. Some people, or normally French people, put dash after each word, but some don't. Okay, so you will see two ways to write numbers. For example, how to write this number: 60,352. Some people will put 60-1000-3-100-50-2. Okay, but my way, or another way to write numbers, you don't have to put dash for 1000 and 100 numbers, okay, but you put dash for numbers under 100. Okay, so both are correct. Okay, both are correct. You can pick which one that you are comfortable with. All right, so that's all for numbers 1 until 1 million for French numbers. So good luck. Bye.